Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you an easy way to clean a stainless steel kitchen sink so that it shines like new again. The first thing you should do is remove everything that is on and around the sink, sponges, dish soap, etc. Next, rinse the sink with water. If there are small food remains in the sink, now is the time to clean it all up. Use a napkin for this and then rinse the sink again. To clean the sink, we will need baking soda and dish soap. Sprinkle the sink with baking soda and add some dish soap. Then take a sponge and start cleaning the sink with the soft side. Baking soda and dish soap will degrease the sink very well, washing away all the sticky residue and small dried-on food particles. If you have a polished sink, test this paste on an inconspicuous area before cleaning, because it may leave scratches. If you have a sink like mine, you don't have to worry, it will be fine. In my kitchen sink, dirt gets clogged in these stripes over time, causing the kitchen sink to darken. This paste does a great job and cleans everything well. Look, where I cleaned, the sink became light. The best way to clean the drain is to use a toothbrush. It is small, and with its help you can easily clean all the grooves and recesses. You should also use a toothbrush to clean the part where the sink meets the countertop. After cleaning, rinse the sink with running water. At this point, it already looks pretty good, but not perfect. So let's move on to the next step. Now we will need vinegar and paper towels. Spray the paper towel with vinegar and those places on the faucet where the hard water deposit has accumulated. Now tightly cover the faucet with paper towels and leave for a while. If the plug is not strong, 15 minutes will be enough. Spray the sink itself with vinegar. Wipe it with a cloth so that it is evenly distributed over it and leave it for 5 minutes. Vinegar will dissolve the hard water deposits that build up on the walls of your sink, leaving it looking shiny. Then rinse the sink with water. Also, when cleaning the kitchen sink, do not forget about the faucet head, where limescale and rust accumulate. To clean this, pour some vinegar into a bag and use a rubber band to secure it to the faucet. Leave it like this for 1 hour and the faucet will be clean again. After you have removed all the paper towels and cleaned away any limescale, rinse the sink and faucet thoroughly again. Well, if you want the sink to be not only clean but also beautifully shiny after cleaning, wipe it dry. Then you can take a paper towel, olive oil, and rub the sink with it. Water drops will roll off the treated surface easily, so the sink will stay shiny and free of plaque for longer. As you can see, this method of cleaning a stainless steel kitchen sink is very simple and affordable, and the result is simply amazing. The sink looks like new. Grease, limescale, and even rust were cleaned well. If you liked these tips, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.